Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how a hernia set looks like and how do you hand over instruments one after the other and the names of the instrument as per the procedure. So stay tuned, and we're going to start. These ones are called sponge holders. This is how they seem like or how they look like. They're used during prepping of the patient before a procedure begins. Then from there you're going to drape the patient and secure the drapes with these ones over here. They are called tile clips. That's how they do work, tile clips. Then from there you're going to mount your blade and then hand over to the surgeon. And now I'm going to show you how you mount the blade. So most of the people, you may see someone mounting with their hands, of which is not appropriate, because you can end up cutting up yourself. So you just take a mosquito artery and then use it to mount. Make sure that it's well fitted before adding it to the surgeon. And yeah, there we go, it's mounted. And you should not actually hand over while this way. You just have to put it on this is called kidney dish. You're going to put it on a kidney dish and then add. Actually, these ones they're called pickups. They come in different types. They're the toothed ones and untoothed, but you're going to add over the surgeon with the toothed one, because it's the time that he's making an incision. So you're going to put them together and then hand over to the surgeon. Then we've got the scissors. They come in different sizes as well. There are the long ones and the small ones, curved and straight ones. And there are different classes. There is the ones that are called the tissue scissors, like this one over here. Then we've got this one over here, the suture scissors. Suture scissors are used to cut the sutures while making stitches, and the tissue scissors is used to cut the tissues. Then from there we're going to have mosquito arteries, but many of the surgeons do prefer calling them arteries, just that way. So if a surgeon asks for artery, you just hand over these ones to them. And actually there are long arteries, like these ones over here. These ones, they are long and curved. This one is a straight one and a small one, it's not curved. Then from there we've got these ones as well. They are straight as well. Then after there we've got the Alice. Now if you look very carefully over here, they are a bit serrated. They are a bit serrated over here. They are used to hold heavy tissues during the procedure. Then we've got retractors. Usually there are two in a hernia set. They are used to retract so that the surgeon can have a clear view. Then from there we're going to have a hernia ring. it's used to secure the hernia. Then we've got the last one, the last bit of it, which are the needle holders. They're used to hold needles while making sutures. And how do you mount the needles in a needle holder? And I'm going to show you. This type of a suture is a Vicryl, one reverse cutting. In our next tutorials, I'll be showing you, or I'll be teaching you different kinds of sutures, but this one is a one reverse cutting Vicryl. You tear over here. There, you've got your suture. This is how you mount it. Just hold over here, and then you make it. Then you head over to the surgeon this way as you clap his hands, and then the surgeon is going to proceed with the suture.